Hi, my name is Jasmine, and I'm a certified general virtual assistant based in Dumaguete, Philippines. I was professionally trained through Surge Freelancing, where I earned my certification and gained hands-on skills in key areas of virtual support. I specialize in email management, but I'm also experienced in calendar management, project coordination, online bookkeeping, and administrative tasks. With a background in roles such as English secondary language tutor, sales representative, and bookkeeping assistant, I've developed strong communication skills, attention to detail, and the ability to multitask effectively. I'm proficient in tools like Trello, QuickBooks, Wix, and many more. And I enjoy helping businesses stay organized and run smoothly. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills, reliability, and positive energy to your team and grow with your company.